Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need any help regarding blog post formatting and uploading, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Firstly, I am explaining why we need to activate 301 redirection. Sometimes we change our blog post or page permalink. For example, we made a post in 2024 and we kept 2024 in our permalink. But in next year, we need to change it to 2025. That time, if users visit on our previous URL, they will get 404 error. So, how we can inform our readers? We have changed our post URL. 301 redirection will do that task. They will automatically redirect our users to new URL who will visit our old URL. Okay, let me show how you can do this. I am on my website dashboard. Firstly, I want to show you current situation. For example, this is my post. So if I change this post URL, like right now it's diet 2 end of the post, I want to remove this 2, and after that I will give a refresh here and I will see the difference. I am going to edit this post, and from the permalink I am going to change little bit part, like end of the permalink there is 2, I just removed that 2 and clicking the outside save draft. And if I come to the old URL, you see still end of the permalink there has 2. So now if I give a refresh, you will see the difference. You see it's showing page can't be found, that means it's 404 error. But if we enable 301 redirection, that time this post will automatically redirect to the new URL. So let me show you. For this we will use a plugin, Redirection Plugin. So I am going plugin page, clicking add new plugin. After that I am searching with 301 redirection. Search, and I will use this plugin. This plugin name is Redirection. So install now, and after installation click on activate. So this is the plugin. So I am going to settings page, and there has few basic setup. So I am going to start setup. After that, this page there is 2 option. If I wish, I can enable that 2 option. So I think first option need to enable, but second option no need to enable. If we enable it, it will increase our database storage. So no need to enable this one. Click on continue and import existing redirects. So if you wish, you can give it tick, otherwise no need. Click on continue. After that it's testing the REST API and it will give a result here. So for this website it's good. So we can click on finish setup. After that click on continue and installation complete. So here it's showing some basic option like redirect log, no log, 404 log, no log. So if you wish, you can change it, and if you don't want to change, then it's not a problem. Just by default which option they already gave, that's enough. So now come to the post. I want to edit the post URL again, and this time I want to check, is my old URL redirecting to me the new URL? So I am going to edit post again. First of all, I want to view the post. So this view is coming from the old URL, and now I want to change the URL to like end of the post. I want to add 007 and click the outside and save. Post updated, and if I give a refresh here, right now it's old URL, and I am going to give a refresh. You see this post automatically redirected to the new URL, and end of the URL there is 007. So this is the way. So today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.